In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a service in Microsoft Bookings. By the end, you'll have a clear, bookable service that your clients or colleagues can easily schedule, and you'll understand exactly what each part of the setup does. Let's start from your Microsoft Bookings homepage. Once you're signed in and have the correct booking calendar open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu. From that left-hand sidebar, click on the option labeled Services. This is where all of your existing services live and where you'll add any new ones. If you don't see it immediately, make sure your window is maximized or that the sidebar isn't collapsed. After the services page loads, look toward the top of the screen for a button that says Add New Service. Go ahead and click that. This opens the service creation form, which is where you'll define what this appointment type is, how it appears to your customers, and the basic information they'll see when booking. The first field you'll want to fill out is the service name. This is important because it's the main label your customers will see on your booking page, so make it clear and descriptive. Instead of something vague like meeting, try something that instantly communicates both purpose and duration. For example, you might use a title like 15-min research sync. The key is to keep it short but meaningful. Think about what would make sense to someone who has never met you before and is scanning a list of options. Next, move down to the description field. This is your chance to briefly explain what happens during this appointment. A good description sets expectations and reduces confusion or back and forth emails later. In 1 or 2 sentences, describe the goal of the meeting, who it's for, and anything the person should know beforehand. For instance, you might say something like, a short check-in to discuss your current research focus, clarify questions, and outline next steps, ideal if you need quick feedback or direction. Keep the language simple and direct. You don't need to write a paragraph, just enough to help people choose the right service and come prepared. As you type, imagine you're talking to someone booking for the first time. Ask yourself, if they only read the name and this brief description, would they understand what they're signing up for and whether it's right for them? If not, adjust the wording to be a little more specific. Once you're happy with the service name and description, take a moment to double check spelling, clarity, and tone. Remember that this will be public facing, so you want it to look polished and professional, but still approachable. When everything looks good, go to the bottom or top of the page, depending on your layout, and click the Save button. This step is crucial. If you navigate away without saving, your new service won't be created. After you save, Microsoft Bookings will add this service to your services list, and it will be available for you to use on your booking page, depending on how you've configured your calendar. That's all it takes. You've created a new service in Microsoft Bookings by opening the Services section, adding a new service, giving it a clear name, writing a concise description, and saving your changes.